Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. We are in System Verilog UP series and today we are going to see about class routines. If you have not already gone through, please go through previous video lectures in System Verilog UP series because this is a continuation. Now let's see what are class routines. A class routine means it is either a task or a function which is defined inside the scope of a class. What does class routine do? It will operate on your class variable. We had already seen about class variables in the previous video lecture in System Verilog UP series. If you have not already gone through, please go through that. In order to operate on the class variables, we need class routines, which can be task or function, and it performs some kind of operation on your class variables. One thing which you should remember is inside the class routine, the storage type is always automatic by default. Automatic storage type is default storage type is automatic in the class routine. Now what we will do, let's go through a coding example of class routines to make you understand better because just theory won't help. So let's see a coding example. This coding example of class routines. Let's understand this code first. Here I have a class AXI in which I have address of 32-bit and data of 64-bit. I am assigning some default values to both of them. And then I have a function to display the values of address and data. Then I have a class AHB. Here also I have both address and data as address is 32-bit and data is 64-bit. And here also I am assigning some default value. And here I have a task display. Here the display was function, but in case of AHB, display is a task. And both these are class routines. Why? Because a class routine is either a task or the function which usually operates on data. Here what operation it is doing? It is just whatever your class variables you have. So this is the operation current class routines are performing on your class variables is just displaying. And now I have a module test. Here, if you can see, I have created an handle of AXI and an handle of AHB. If you don't understand what is handle, I have covered this in detail in the previous lecture in System Verilog UP series with coding examples. You can go through those and understand what is a handle. So here we have handle of AXI and AHB. Now see both the here also you have the name display and here also you have name display. For both the class routine's name is display. Now how will your code know which display to call? It's simple. Whatever handle you use, that display will be called. Here you are creating a object of AXI class and here you are using AXI.display. It means here the display of AXI should be called this one. And here you are creating a object of AHB and you are saying AHB.display. So here this task inside AHB display, this task should be called. I have run this and then we will see what is the output. What I am expecting first, AXI.display should get executed. So here you see AXI and whatever the initial value we assigned for AXI that got displayed and the next AHB should get displayed. So here if you see inside AHB, whatever initial values you have given, those are getting displayed. So this is a coding example of class routines. To stay tuned and to understand VLSI through coding examples and all the VLSI concepts, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Thank you.